Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I create e-commerce product shots for my business. So first off, I want to tell you guys what I'm using. Today I have a ring light, a softbox, and my Nikon D3200 camera. It's a DSLR camera. It's not the most professional, but it does the job. So for my backdrop, I'm simply using some white construction paper and I'm leaning that against my desktop. I'm also set up right in front of the window for some additional lighting. So I just jump right into it. I start placing my product right in front of that backdrop and making sure that it's placed evenly because all of that is going to be shown in your final product. So my advice when it comes to shooting, being that I'm not a professional, is just to make sure that everything is symmetrical and that when you're looking in the camera frame that everything looks crisp and clear, because chances are the way it is shot is how it's going to come out when it's time to edit. So just playing around with the different gadgets on your camera, like the zoom, the focus, and the picture sensitivity, and with the right mixture, your final result will look pretty professional. Another thing I like doing while taking product pictures is trying different angles, shooting from different heights, laying the product down different ways, and so on. My suggestion is that you try to get creative in the ways you present your product, all while still showing your customer what they'll be receiving when they order. So after I've taken all my pictures, I like to run through what I have just to make sure that I'm completely done shooting, simply because the pictures don't always come out the same when you shoot again at a different time of the day, and especially if you're using natural light or changing your lighting setup around. Okay, so now the photography part is over and it's time to edit. I simply transfer those photos I took from my SIM card directly to my company folder, and then I upload my pictures to my editing platform. In this video, I'll be showing you how I edit on PicMonkey and VSCO. So with our uploaded picture, we're going to play around with the different tabs that PicMonkey offers. As you can see, I'm playing with the brightness. You're going to see me play with the highlights and the contrast, and I'm just doing this to my liking. You could always go back and make your changes, but you just finagle and see what you like. It's really up to your discretion. My favorite part about this editing site is really the saturation and the vibrance, and that's only because it brings the color back into the picture after we lost it, so I really love that part. So now we go to the touch-up tab, and then we go under eye brighten, and this is the part where we just blink out that background and make it look like your official e-commerce product pictures. To make your product pictures even more official, simply adjust the size toggle. This will make the erase tool as small as you'd like and allow you to blank out that background super close to your product, as you can see. Now that you've done your edits, you can download your picture to your computer, then upload it to your platforms. In this case, I'm uploading this picture of our Clear Rose vegan lip gloss to my site, ivyrosebeauty.com. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I edit using the VSCO app. Right now, I'm just going to take one of the pictures that I shot earlier today and go from there. As you can see, VSCO has several filters you can choose from. I personally like more natural pictures so that my customers can really see the color of the products. So I'm actually going to manipulate certain features of the pic instead of using a complete filter. So after adjusting the exposure, the contrast, and I believe the saturation, I was pretty much done because again, I want my pictures to be as natural as possible and I just want to enhance the natural color of my products. Although we edited on VSCO, I really love that seamless white background, so I'm going to head back over to PicMonkey and do those same steps to white out the background as I did before. Once your edits are complete, just do the same thing over again, which is downloading them to your computer, then uploading them to whatever platform you like, be it your website, your Etsy shop, Pinterest, or whatever. And that's it, guys. I hope you learned a lot during this video on how to make e-commerce product photos. Feel free to ask me questions and tell me what you'd like to see next in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.